This daring maneuver by an Air Canada Express Cree 900 is a testament to the pilot's exceptional skills and the aircraft's capabilities. The power of nature is on full display as this Delta Airlines Boeing 747 battles against a raging typhoon. The pilot skillfully guides the massive aircraft through the storm, demonstrating remarkable control and precision. Another stunning example of aviation's resilience comes from this United Boeing 747, which faces the same treacherous conditions as the Delta aircraft. The pilot's unwavering focus and expert maneuvering ensure a safe touchdown in the midst of the storm. These are just a few examples of the incredible feats accomplished by pilots who face the elements head-on. Their skill, courage, and unwavering dedication to safety inspire us all. As we continue to explore the skies, let us remember the remarkable individuals who make aviation possible, even in the most challenging circumstances.